Salesforce. In today's video, I'm going to guide you how to integrate Zoominfo with Salesforce. Watch the video till the end and don't miss any important step. Step number 1, open your Zoominfo app and go to settings, and here find integrations. Once find Salesforce and click connect. Then choose your environment, production or sandbox. Once done, a Salesforce login window will appear. Log in with your admin credentials to authorize Zoominfo. Then in Zoominfo, open the export tab and select which objects to sense, for example, contacts, leads, accounts. Once done, set export limits. Step number 5, go to the mapping tab and here match Zoominfo fields with the corresponding sales fields. Choose whether to overwrite existing data or fill only blank fields. If you choose, click Save, then initiate sensing. Data will begin flowing from Zoominfo into Salesforce. Now, you can have an optional setup, and that is embed Zoominfo components directly on Salesforce record pages such as leads or accounts using Lightning App Builder for inline data enrichment. And that's all. That's how you will be able to integrate your Zoominfo with Salesforce. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.